YouTube walkthrough. So you already created your YouTube account, or perhaps you had one all along without being aware about it because you never tried to sign into YouTube while your Gmail session was open. And now you're ready to start uploading some cool marketing videos. You've probably used YouTube before to watch videos, but YouTube goes well beyond that feature, and there are lots of buttons and tabs that you might not have used yet. In this video, we are going to show you every function available on YouTube's front page. Let's start by taking a look at the picture icon in the top right corner to revisit the functions available there when you click it. There, you have the Creator Studio button, which allows you to manage, check, and edit your video content. And we're going to take you through a deeper look into this feature on a following video. Next up is the YouTube Settings button, where you can manage your account settings. You can use the Add Account button in here to add additional YouTube accounts to this shortcut, and the Sign Out button will allow you to log out of YouTube. Now, this bell icon button will show you notifications on the platform, such as when your videos receive comments or likes, when you have new subscribers, and when you have set reminders to watch video events, to name a few. The Upload button will allow you to upload your video content to the YouTube platform with a few clicks on your mouse. And depending on how you plan to do your marketing, this may perfectly be one of the buttons that you're going to use the most. YouTube features a standard search bar that you can use to search video content on YouTube by using specific video titles or keywords. Below the search bar, there are 3 video content feed tabs. The Home tab is the main tab, and in here, YouTube will recommend you video content based on the type of videos that you watch or create on the platform. The Trending tab features videos that are trending on YouTube at the moment, and the Subscriptions tab will show you the most recent videos from the YouTube channels that you are subscribed to. Scroll all the way down to the footer of the site and you will find some buttons that will allow you to edit some of your site preferences. Let's take a look at these buttons from left to right, starting with the Language button, which allows you to switch between several languages for your user interface. The Content Location menu will give you the option to select a country from which to get videos on your feed. The default content location is the country of residence that you enter when you create your account, but you can change it later using this menu if you want to view more content from different countries. The Restricted Mode menu will prevent videos with inappropriate content or videos that have been tagged as such by other users from appearing on your video feed. It is set as off by default, but you can turn it on and back to off when needed. The History button will take you to a page where you will be able to check a history of your viewed videos. Here, you will be able to check your watch history, as well as your search history. Clicking on the Help button will display a pop-up window to quickly access YouTube's Help page, which is an incredible resource to check if you ever need to. Let's lastly check the menu on the top left corner. From here, you will be able to access your YouTube User Options menu. First, you have the Home tab, which will simply take you back to the YouTube dashboard when you click it. The My Channel tab will take you to your YouTube channel, and we will teach you step by step how to create your own YouTube channel in the following video. The Trending tab will take you to the Trending Video section, and the Subscription tab will take you to your subscriptions page. The Library menu features 3 tabs. The first one is the History tab, which will take you to your viewed videos history so you can check which videos you have watched previously. The Watch Later tab will take you to a page where you can watch videos that you have marked as Watch Later. This is a useful feature because it allows you to save a video so you can watch it later when you're pressed for time. You can save videos this way by hovering over a video on the video feed and clicking on the clock icon. Doing so will save your Watch Later video on the Watch Later section. The Liked Videos tab will show you a collection of your liked videos. You can like a video by clicking on the like button below a video while you're watching it. The Subscriptions menu will show you a list of the YouTube channels that you are subscribed to. This menu will appear empty when your YouTube account is new, because you haven't added any channel to your subscriptions up to that point. You can use the Add Channel and the Browse Channel buttons to find channels to subscribe to, which will be added to this menu later. You can also subscribe to a YouTube channel while you're watching a video by clicking on the Subscribe button below the video. Doing so will add that channel to your subscriptions list, which you can access either through the Subscription tab below the search bar or through the Subscription menu on the left. As you can see, navigating your YouTube user dashboard gives you access to a lot of nice features that you might not have noticed before watching this video. And we recommend you to keep experimenting with them later, because on our next video, we're going to show you all that you need to know about YouTube channels.